Hey everyone, so this is my Module 5 reflection over our online resources module that we did this week. The first question was, what were your three favorite websites that you examined in the module? And describe the components I found useful, and how much did the fee-based sites cost, and do I think that they're worth the expenses? So this is something that I'm pretty familiar with. I sub a lot in the first grade, second grade classrooms. I'm going into elementary education. We use a lot of like IXL, which IXL is really good with math. You can also add, reading, science, social studies. But it is great for practicing. You can assign lessons, quizzes, and it'll link up with your LMS, which we use PowerSchool here. So that's really nice too as a teacher. As far as the cost for it, IXL one subject is $2.99 a year. Now that's for a classroom. If you get 10 or more, or the whole school district does it, it decreases tremendously. Um, and we use it here in ours, and it seems to really have cut down as far as on paper costs and inputting grades because it automatically transfers over, building lesson plans, things like that, because they're already in there and you can just assign them. Another one that I really liked was the BrainPop Junior. I thought that was really cool for the kids, keep them engaged. Um, I haven't used it a whole lot here. We do use like ABCia, Lexia, our school uses for our reading program. And I know for school district it runs, it's like 8,500 a year, and that's unlimited access. But it goes from they start doing it in kindergarten, and they complete it in fifth grade, and the kids really enjoy doing it. And it's a lot different from the way that we learned it for sure. So it definitely keeps them engaged, and they do enjoy doing Alexia. Um, we also cool math games for kids. They really enjoy that, and it's free from 7 to 4. So we use that a lot. And when I do ABC, I'll normally put it on the smart board, and the kids will get up and they can all answer the questions as line up in two rows, and they actually get to touch the board and interact with it, and it really does keep them engaged, and they have a lot of fun with it. As far as like Brain Pop was for a teacher to have access to everything because there is free stuff on there. It's $99 a year. The QA is 99 a year, but if it's purchased by more than 100, it's 59 a year. So if you think about what teachers pay, textbooks and what the school district is paying for um, all the paper that they use, it really is a lot less. I know it sounds like a lot, but really, for what it does and gives access to it, is really beneficial to the classroom, especially as we move into and we're going into a technological world. Everything that these kids are doing, a lot of it is on a Chromebook. Most of the kids use iPads in the classroom, so they're really good resources to use. Um, when I was using it, I really found it to be interesting um, because I always wondered how they did it. That's one thing that I haven't done as a sub. Um, but there's so many different things that can be done with it, and it's a great way to do quizzes, fun, engaging activities. I did a thing on math for kids, um, second grade, and then I did a like unscramble for sight words, um, and it's not as colorful as like Lexia because it literally the whole screen is just a world of Lexia, Core 5. So I mean, I think it would be worth it, especially because of what you can access and how much time it would save you as a teacher. Um, and I think, like I said, moving into a world where everything is turning into technology, I mean, I do find that it's important to have more of those resources and content in the future. Have a great night.